everyone, welcome to NSN's YouTube channel National Skills Network. As the year is coming to an end, we Team NSN would like all of us to look back at the year that was. And I would like to thank all of you for being with us throughout the year.
Yes, Sahitya, a note of thank you is something we owe to everybody who's been with us throughout this toughest year on earth, as we all know, because of COVID-19 and many challenges. But the fact that we are here today and we are able to tell our story shows that we have survived one of the toughest years as a startup. So I look back now with gratitude, a big thank you to everyone who has supported us throughout the year. And I'm here along with Sahitya to tell you our story of resilience, adaptability, and survival. Of course, with me are my other team members, Pratyusha, Madhu, Ajay, and Sagarika. We look forward to a reassuring and rewarding 2021. So with that hope, let's go ahead and thank all our partners. A note of gratitude to all our partners, Setif ID, ATDC, Fronius, Govet, Germany, Talent Sprint, Tata Strive, and NTTF. They all represent different kinds of training. They are from industry, they are from different domains, but then they have been with us, and it is because of them that we could send out our newsletters on time, we could do all our work on time, we could put our YouTube channel in place, and we could do so much. We have never missed an edition of our fortnightly newsletter, which just got rebranded as e-magazine, and our weekly news bites, and of course all the videos that you see on YouTube and our activity on social media. You would have seen that we are regularly featuring so many stories about them and trying to bring visibility to a lot of work that is being done, phenomenal work, I would say, and bring online visibility for the wonderful work that's happening in the skills, vocational training, and education space. And I would like to quickly summarize our performance on website and YouTube. First, performance from the website. Yes, we added 2,12,240 new users, and then we had 7,03,000 and 111 views. Well, numbers speak for themselves, and I'm not very keen about putting forward the number. It's just to show that this year was not that bad for us. We did make a good impact, and the all-time numbers are there for you to see. So Sahitya, can you tell us more about the YouTube channel?
Yeah, and on YouTube, we have made a lot of new content that is there, that is coming on the platform for the first time. And we have made topics that are very current and that are useful for various stakeholders in this domain of skill development. And as you can see the numbers, currently we have 2,370 subscribers, and I thank all our subscribers who are there constantly supporting us, and the numbers are steadily increasing.
That's really nice to know, Sahitya. I can tell you that we will definitely do better in the coming year on YouTube with lot of support and encouragement that we are getting from our subscribers. Thanks again. And on social media, yes, the numbers have kept on growing. As you can see the numbers, we have been very active. But let me also tell you, this year was a huge challenge because of the changing algorithms of Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and a lot of online activity that was happening because of working from home and many other things. The digital push which came with the pandemic, all that has changed life on social media as well. And it has been a huge struggle to keep going on social media with quality content. Yes, that's the word I would like to emphasize. And another important aspect I would like to share with you is about our team. A team that's able to bond well can survive any hardship that comes, and we have proven that. Even though we were working from home from various locations, you would have seen that we have never missed any activity, we have never missed a deadline, we were good at planning and executing, and I'm so happy to tell you that all of us have been together through the thick and thin of the entire year, even though we were living on the edge. And we are still living on the edge, but we are surviving and sustaining. And I'm sure 2021 is going to get us a lot of good stuff, and I look forward to it. And another important plus point for NSN was that we were always digital and social. So I think that helped us, right, Sahitya?
Yes, ma'am. We could immediately switch to that digital format of all the activities that we were earlier carrying on.
So everything we were able to synchronize very well. And I'm really thankful to the digital technology that we adopted much earlier. That was 5 years ago when I started NSN. I was all for digital, and today it has helped us a lot. And then another important landmark or a highlight of the year is the launch of new website, which has happened recently. We are gradually making changes to make it more easy to read, follow, and so on. So one important feature I would like everyone to try out on our website is the translation feature, where we have added Google Translate. If you go on to the top of the page, you will see the choice of language. As you can see here, we have translated our content in Tamil and Hindi. So please use this feature and try to read NSN in your own language and give us the feedback. And now coming to our activities this year, maybe Sahitya, you can tell us a little bit about what happened and what could not happen post-pandemic.
Yes, ma'am. Like this year was a challenge for most of us, and we could not attend many events or be part of many conferences like all the past years. But however, till March, we did visit a lot of places like Gati Courier's office in Hyderabad. We met Ms. Ramadevi, who is the founder of Aleap in Hyderabad. We also attended an event by PSSCIVA in Bhopal, and we also met the students and trainers from FDDI Hyderabad. So I think this was quite a lot of activity till March, but after that we were all in lockdown and we could not continue. But however, the activities did not stop.
Yeah, the good thing is, yes, initial months we were traveling, but then we could not travel at all, not only in outside Hyderabad, but within Hyderabad also. But as Sahitya said, even though we could not travel, that did not stop us from connecting with people. We found many other ways to connect with people and be connected. Yes, so here comes the connection part of it. So this happened again through webinars. And in fact, I think webinars helped us in connecting better with people, because first of all, we did not have to travel, and the digital connectivity was so good that we started hosting quite a few webinars. And one of our webinars, called Satar Minute, was a big hit. As you can see, you can go to the YouTube channel and look at the different editions of this webinar. And another important event that we collaborated this time as a media partner is with the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and IIM Bangalore, which had to do with looking at the issues of migrant workers, employability, and skills. So these were some of the most important events that happened this year, and we were very happy to be a part of it.
Like I think as an organization, we always believed the strength lies in taking actions. And here, with this initiative of NSN Connect on YouTube, we tried presenting the key action points for various stakeholders to make skilling aspirational and to boost the economy. And we made videos on topics like how skills and entrepreneurship can boost our industry, craft training institutes in India, to align with the Atmanirbhar Bharat and Vocal for Local, and also vocational education and skills in National Education Policy 2020. As we've seen in NEP 2020, there was a lot of emphasis on vocational education in schools. And this video is one of the most watched videos on our YouTube channel, which has close to 6,000 views. And I'm really grateful for all the viewers who have watched this video, shared it on various platforms, and commented and interacted based upon the action points we shared.
Yeah, that's true. Like Sahitya just said, we have started this initiative to make a lot of video-based presentations for better reach and better presentation itself on various topics, and we would continue to do so in 2021. So with this, we would like to thank you, that's Sahitya and me, for watching this short presentation where we look back at the year that was 2020, a year that will remain unforgettable, I'm sure, in all our lives, and that has taught us so many lessons. A year that has shown us the value of skills like resilience, adaptability, empathy, and so many others that we talk about as 21st century skills. I think each one of us was using that skill this year to live our lives and then overcome various issues that we face till now. Both of us, me and Sahitya, wish you a very happy 2021. and we look forward to be with you. Please subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon, and we would be very happy to keep connected with you.